So we have sentence corrections. First thing you want to do, again, look at the underline portion. What are they testing? The underline, in this question, the underline portion has an or, and it also has been. So I'm thinking it could be a list, or it could be a verb tense question. Couple of things you want to think about when you're thinking about lists. You want the list to be parallel, even, and again, to make logical sense. If you're talking about verb tense, the sentence throughout should be balanced in terms of the verb tense that it uses, so it should be using the same verb tense throughout the sentence, unless you're talking about the past and you have to indicate that something happened before something else where they both happened in the past, in which case you would use had. So here we have the commission has directed advertisers to restrict the use of the word natural to foods that do not contain color, additives, chemical preservatives, or nothing that has been synthesized. Okay, so first thing that's alarming is this or nothing. So we know we're dealing with lists because we have three things right here. And then this or nothing, well, that's a double negative. That doesn't make any sense. Take those out. So A and C are gone. The list starts with foods that do not contain, right? So we're talking about foods that don't have additives, preservatives, and B says, or that has been synthesized. Well, that is referring to foods. So foods that do not contain foods that have been synthesized, that doesn't make sense because you can't add foods to foods. So B is out. C says nothing, so that's out. We already. D says, or anything that has been. Okay, so foods that do not contain additives, preservatives, or anything that has been synthesized. So anything refers to something that can be synthesized, and it's using the correct tense, has been, because the beginning of the sentence said, the commission has directed. Works just fine. So D is our answer. Some of the things you want to watch out for with lists are lists within a list, where the sentence might start with, in an attempt to do this, this company did this, this, and this, and then they might start another list, but that list refers to the beginning. And in an attempt to do something else, they might do that. So that might be a list within a list, so you might have to watch out for that. But again, look out for parallelism and clarity. It's always about parallelism and clarity when it comes to sentence corrections.